Sali ka nag-vlog. Kasama cake.
This is our lunch, Thanksgiving lunch award. So we have martini, pumpkin, that's pumpkin pie. We have tamales, somebody brought tamales, bread, and some chicken. There you go. Hi everyone, it's Saturday after Black Friday at I just dropped my car in the dealership for maintenance, and I have a car for the day, and I'm just gonna show you like a car tour. My car of the day. Haggard lang ako, haggard. Okay, let's start. So it's brand new and like that, and it's keyless. So look at that, and there. So, and let's go outside, and it smells brand new car. Let's turn it up first. So turn it up. There you go. And the color is white. It's nice and sunny today. So it's Honda Accord. It's my car of the day. Very fancy. There. So it's just my my car. It needs to have a maintenance. So that's why I get a car to use for the day, because I'm going shopping. See you. Excited to see my new car for the day. for the day.
For the day?
Mm-hmm. Only for the day.
Really, Mom?
Only for the day.
Is it
Smells good. Mm-hmm. Smells good, smells good.
smells good?
Smells good. No, si Joby oh, Black Friday shopping me. Tanaw-tanaw siya diri oh. Tanaw-tanaw siya kay iPhone. Black Friday shopping kahit walang ayos. iPhone Pro Max. Pindot siya. So, no, 12 ni? 12.
Nakaputang lagi dito kay Center.
Yan. Tanaw-tanaw sa alang ni. Maka-jubi regular na basing into 2 months. Black Friday shopping ang walang ayos. Ayan. Yan ang price. 1,999.99. So it's like 45,000 in pesos.
Picture na lang ko, be.
Sige, i-continue. Ay, hindi pa. It's time to unbox.
Tapos na nag-unbox, oy.
There's 2 compartments. There's papel. There's paper. 2 minutes. Ang haba ng unboxing ni Joby. Kaya, ating i-forward. Ayan. Excited siyang mag-unboxing. Look at that. How pretty is that? Look at that. Pretty. There you go.
Salungan na natin. Maulog ka.
All of us, Joby. There you go. Thank you for watching. Meron kaming viewers dito. Ayan ang viewers. Okay. Nagkalat na siya dito. Daming papel.
Daming papel. Yan. Ayan.
Pusing na.
Madili man jud diri sa amo, te. Kasi
Thank you for watching.